Not more stuff.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a bit of greenery and lights in the hallway.
So for now it's bare.
I might put something here,
Oh,
but I don't know what.
wow. Give it a couple of days, folks, and it'll be covered.
Well,
There you go. Got a nice parcel for you as well.
I think next year we're going to need new ones because a lot of the wires are broken and they won't stay where I put them.
Oh,
So they're looking very old and tired now.
I
But
know what my Christmas bonus is going to be spent on then.
I never even thought of that. Good thinking, Batman.
30 years at the same place and I get a nice little payout and you go and spend it.
I don't have to.
You
You
will.
can have it.
Oh, yeah.
What are you going to spend it on?
Don't know. Don't
Well,
need
there you
anything.
go.
Crap I don't need.
30 years in one spot.
Well, yeah.
Well, with the same company.
Same company, yeah.
Yeah, well done you.
Work my way up.
There ain't many people can say that, is there?
Nope. Right, there you go then. So that is it. That is the stairs garland up. And it will change over the next 2 days and then we'll take more videos of all the changes. And then maybe when you finish making all the changes, we'll go and take a video of the whole house so you can change it.
Yeah.
And I see you've done something else as well.
What? Behind me?
It's behind you.
It's behind me.
I
Yes.
don't need that load of old rubbish.
The door wreath is on. It's very simple, but I was determined for it to say Merry Christmas, seeing as we get so many hints and whatnot that you mustn't say it, it might offend somebody.
I'm offended.
Tough. I'm sorry. We celebrate Christmas. Not offended by our boat.
Oh, don't start ranting. Right, say goodbye for now.
Bye for now.